Okay, let's take a look at number 16 on page 278. The table shows the average monthly temperature in Winnipeg, Manitoba in degrees Celsius. So the average monthly temperatures for Winnipeg, and if we take a look, the low is negative 16.5 and the high is 19.7. Just to take a look and compare. So plot the data on a scatter plot. Okay, and there's your scatter plot. Determine the temperature that is halfway between the maximum and average monthly temperature and the minimum average monthly temperature for Winnipeg. Okay, well, we'll just take the average. 19.7 plus a negative 16.5 divided by 2 is equal to 1.6 degrees Celsius. Determine the sinusoidal function to model the temperature for Winnipeg. Well, the best fit curve is of the form y equals negative cosine x. Now, since the amplitude is 19.7 minus negative 16.5 all over 2 is equal to 18.1. Now, since the period is 12 months, B equals pi over 6. Since the model of the temperature for Winnipeg, since the minimum occurs in January, C is equal to 1. And from part B, D is equal to 1.6. So a sinusoidal function to model the temperature for Winnipeg is T equals negative 18.1 cosine pi over 6 m minus 1 plus 1.6, where T is the average monthly temperature in degrees Celsius, and M is the time in months. Graph the model. How well does the model fit your data? Well, relatively well. Relatively well. So if we take a look, for how long in a 12-month period does Winnipeg have a temperature greater than or equal to 16 degrees Celsius? Well, determine the points of intersection of the graph of the model and T equals 16. So what we have here is the average monthly temperature is greater than or equal to 16 degrees for approximately 8.24 minus 5.78, which is about 2.5 months.